Okay, sorry in advance for how cramped it is in here. I am kind of running out of room. But here's the new shit box. It is a 2005 2.5 RS. Just had the head gaskets done. And the clutch. It is a manual. Needs a little bit of work. So I have that door, that fender. I might as well show you the parts I have. I'm gonna be running 17x9 gold RPF 1s. There's a reason why so many people have these wheels. One, they're affordable. This was $980. They're pretty much less than reps at this point, and they are extremely light. Fuck, I'll pick that up with 2 fingers. Ridiculously light wheel. And I think they look good. And I'll be running kind of what I always run, a Nitto 275/40 NT05. So that should give this plenty of grip. I also have the pads I always run, EBC yellows. Trying to think what else. I got 2 new headlights because this one's dingy and this one is missing. That's not even the headlight that's supposed to be there. The previous one, I just threw that in there. Like I said, I have a new fender, the new rear door because that one's dented in. Still looking for a hood. But yeah. Picked it up pretty cheap. Pretty stoked on it. Your basic Subaru Impreza. But yeah, I think I'm gonna fully gut this one. Everything except the driver's seat, the center console, and the dash, and the front door cards. Everything else is gonna be gone, including the carpet. Put a smaller steering wheel in there. I have a taller shifter coming because that one is like really low down, doesn't feel right. But yeah, everything's gonna be gutted out of here. It does have working AC and heat, which, like I said, for my other build, that was gonna be my track car as a must. I cannot tolerate, I can go without heat, but I cannot go without AC. I'm a baby when it comes to that. I've had heat stroke a bunch of times, so I can't tolerate it for shit. Oh, it's locked. So yeah, all that's gonna be gutted. Should be pretty fun. It actually felt pretty peppy for being an NA Impreza. It's a fairly light car for what it is already, so I imagine that's why, along with the 5-speed and decent gearing. Should be a pretty fun car. And there's the Humvee. Anyhow, I'm gonna keep this short. This was kind of just an introduction to the other project I will now be working on. So yeah, look forward to that. I'm fucking running out of room in here. One last look at the Humvee. If you had watched my last video, I've gotten a decent amount of progress done on it. So yeah. I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna start gutting this now. I'll make another video when I have a decent update on either one of the projects. Until then, see you in the next one.